Does your RCCB trip during a rainstorm? Don't worry, your device isn't broken. It's likely doing exactly what it's designed to do, protecting your home. Your RCCB is not broken. It is a vital safety component that is actively doing its job to keep your electrical system safe. An RCCB works by constantly comparing the current flowing through the live and neutral wires. It is designed to detect and trip at even the tiniest electrical leaks. It is important to understand the difference between devices. An MCB protects against large overloads and short circuits, while an RCCB is specifically designed to stop tiny earth leaks. When it rains, moisture enters the system, lowering insulation resistance. This allows leakage current to flow toward the earth, triggering the RCCB to trip. Common culprits include outdoor sockets, lights, and water pumps. When these are exposed to rainwater, they often become the source of the electrical leak. Sometimes the problem is hidden. Roof leaks can allow water to drip onto ceiling wires or accumulate inside junction boxes, creating a hidden path for electricity to leak. Heavy appliances, such as washing machines, water heaters, or air conditioning units, are also vulnerable. Moisture can lower their internal insulation resistance, leading to trips. Even if each appliance has a very small leak, these add up. During a storm, the total leakage across your home can easily push past the 30 milliamp limit. While lightning can cause surges, simple rainwater ingress is the most common reason for these nuisance trips in a home electrical system. The timing of the trip can help you identify the source. If it trips only during rain, look for water ingress. If it happens when a specific pump starts, check that unit. You can narrow down the fault by switching off all MCBs, resetting the RCCB, and then turning each MCB back on one at a time to see which circuit causes it to trip. For your safety, never bypass the RCCB or install a higher-rated device to stop the tripping. This compromises the essential protection the device provides. Do not repeatedly force the RCCB back on. Isolate the wet circuit if you can, and always call a qualified electrician to test the insulation resistance. Your RCCB is there to protect your family. Identifying and fixing the source of the leak is the best way to ensure your home remains safe.